All right, good morning YouTube. Today we're gonna work on this car. This is the right-hand drive K-swap. I changed the upper control arms on it. It had this adjustable ones. The ball joints are worn out, but going over a bump, it's got a light shutter. So I think the lower control arm bushings are worn out. I'm gonna go ahead and change the lower control arm. I'm a little bit on a budget right now and time crunch. I really don't have time to order. So I'm gonna take this off, but I'm gonna hold on to it because we'll probably replace it with urethane bushings. But for now, we're gonna grab the control arm off of this 98 RS that we've been kind of picking parts from. Right now it's already a bare shell. We were gonna make this into a race car, but I think that's gonna change being Sacramento Raceway is closing. So we don't really have a track to go to. And to be honest, street front wheel drive class here in NorCal or the West Coast, kind of dead. So we kind of talked about it. Nothing's set in stone. But right now this race car is probably gonna be the all motor K series, and this car is gonna live in the high, mid high nines. As far as this, we already talked about this. This is gonna be a street car again, which is just getting a boosted K. It's a stock K, and this will be an 1150 or 1250 index, whichever one it falls into, and that's all there is. So let me go ahead and get this thing jacked up. I gotta order a ball joint. If you can see, ball joint's got a good play on it, so we gotta order new ones. We got the ball joint in. Let's replace the ball joint and the lower control arm. We just got some regular stock ball joints. There you go. I'm struggling removing this clip. I don't have the right size, and to be honest, this Mac Tools snap ring plier, the one that's on a cam lock, they suck. I've had this for a while now. See, just when I was getting it, it slides off the lock. Forgot I had these ones. These are actually from Harbor Freight. There you go. Rounding it. Then we got to change the lower control arm, because that's what we originally came out to do, right? Right here. Okay, so what's next? Let's put this on. Okay. This car came without a sway bar, so I do have to find a sway bar for it, but we'll probably do that when we pull the engine out, because the exhaust gotta come out. I'm gonna tighten everything up and then do the other side. Probably come back when everything's done. All right, folks, there it is. The car is done, and we kind of measured and did a slight alignment. I'm probably gonna have to clean this car up, take it for a test drive. Tune in until next time.